Installing TupiTube Desk. Follow these steps to install the TupiTube Desk. Step 1. Visit the www.mayfloresta.com/download/link. Step 2. Fill the details and click on the Download TupiTube Desk button. You will receive a download link on your email address that you have entered. Step 3. Open the received email and click on the link. A new web page opens containing links to download Tupi2D. Step 4. Click on the TupiTube Desk Linux installer link. Click on the TupiTube Desk 0.2.16.sh installer link. Open Terminal and go to the directory where you have downloaded the Tupi2D installer. Type chmod 755 tupitube_0.2.16_linux_x64.sh command and press the enter key. Type /tupitube_0.2.16_linux_x64 command and press the enter key. Step 9. Type password of your computer. Your installation will start.